The rotary glass bottle washing and cleaning machine is a precision-engineered solution designed to deliver thorough and efficient internal and external cleaning of glass bottles in a continuous rotary cycle. Constructed from high-grade stainless steel for corrosion resistance and hygiene compliance, this machine features a rotating turret system equipped with gripping arms that securely hold and invert each bottle over strategically positioned high-pressure spray nozzles. These nozzles inject water, detergent, or sterilizing agents to ensure the removal of dust, debris, and residues from inside and outside surfaces. Ideal for beverage, liquor, and pharmaceutical industries, the machine offers multiple wash cycles, including hot water, chemical rinse, and fresh water, with customizable timing and intensity. Its compact design, smooth bottle handling, low maintenance requirements, and user-friendly control panel make it a dependable choice